Bubba. Here she goes. Hi, little Frankenstein with your arms out all spooky. Here comes Soapy. Hi, Bubba. Where are you going? Good job. I'll catch you. Come over here. There's Eva. That's Eva. She's saying good morning. She said good morning. Good morning to you. Now she says, let me in. Let's have some fun.
My mama did and my mama.
Oh, no kidding? Oh, here she comes. She's unstoppable. Where's she going? Don't go over there, Bubba. Not to Daddy's man cave. Girl? Hi, Bubba.
Good job, Eva. Hey, one more.
Hi, Bubba.
This one. This one.
There she goes. What a walkie-walkster. Whoa, look at her go. Yay, Sopa! Such a cutester.